would each one of you please wave as I say your name in case anybody doesn't know what my next Green Caucus in the House of Commons looks like? So, my deputy leader and dear friend, running in Vancouver. And Jim Stevenson, North Vancouver. Dan Rice, Vancouver Quadra. Mike Carr, Vancouver East. Doug Workington, Vancouver Kingsway. Wouldn't it be nice for those people in Vancouver Kingsway if they actually voted for an MP who stayed with his party? Running Vancouver South. Kerry McLaren, Burnaby, New Westminster. Doug Carey, Burnaby Douglas. Ben Kashagama, Surrey North. Dave Blair, South Surrey, White Rock. Liz Walker, Newton, North Delta. And I know I saw Marshall Smith, New Westminster, Coquitlam. Richmond East. Michael Wolf in Richmond. And, Adrian, Mike Gilderslew from Sorry. Gilderslew. Mike Gilderslew from Pitt Meadows, Maple Ridge. Brian Newbold, Fleetwood, and really, her handwriting was falling apart at the point. And Patrick Mace from Langley. And just checking everybody that I... Aaron Durant! So I would say this was the start of our coast-to-coast leaders tour, but I have to tell you, we got a head start. Because yesterday I flew to Port Alberni on Harbour Air, Canada's only carbon-neutral airline. And we flew by float plane to the riding of John Fryer, who is my labor critic. John Fryer is a national union leader. He's won the Order of Canada for his work. And we had a fantastic rally yesterday at the Longhouse of the First Nations people of Port Alberni, and I was greeted by Chief Judith Sayre. And I want to start this rally by saying we always remember that we're on First Nations territory, and we thank them for the use of this land.